This video is for the slope and right triangles notes handout. So a right triangle can be formed from any 2 points on a line by drawing a vertical line from one point and a horizontal line from the other point until the lines intersect. So we're going to find the slope of the line using point A and B. And you can see there's a triangle drawn in here for you. And so I go up 2 over 3. So that's my slope. Now I'm going to find the slope of the line using points B and C. So again, you can see the other little triangle drawn in there for you. So we go up 2 over 3. So my slope would be 2/3. And now I'm going to draw a right triangle using AC as the hypotenuse. So this is my hypotenuse from A to C. So I'm going to draw a right triangle using points A and C. And so if I find the slope, here we go up 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we simplify that, we get 2/3. So number 1 says, is the triangle with AB as a hypotenuse similar to the triangle with BC? So we're looking at this triangle here and this triangle here, AB and BC. So yes, they are similar. Not only are they similar, they are congruent, which means the same size, same shape exactly. Number 2 says, is the slope of line AC the same no matter which points you use in the slope formula? And so the answer is yes. The slope of the line doesn't change. And then number 3 says, is the triangle with AC as a hypotenuse, so that's the big triangle we drew, similar to the triangles that were already created on the graph? Prove your response. So yes, they are similar. And so if I compare the height and the base of these triangles, so we're going to call the vertical the height. So the vertical with AB as a hypotenuse is 2. And then the base is this one. That base is 3. If I look at the big triangle, the height is 4. And the base, that horizontal line, was 6. And 4 over 6 equals 2/3, which again is also the dimensions of your third triangle. So they are similar. So not all hypotenuses of similar right triangles have the same slope when placed on a coordinate plane. To have the same slope, similar right triangles must be placed on a coordinate plane having 2 points of their hypotenuse that lie on the same line. So for the slopes to be the same of these hypotenuse, which is the long leg of right triangles, those hypotenuses must both lie on the same line, like they did here. All these triangles, the hypotenuse is always on line AC. So if that doesn't happen, the slope may be different. So ABC and DEF, they are congruent. They're or not congruent, they are similar. So the slope of AC, so we went down 2 over 1, which is a slope of -2. And then the slope of D to F, you're going up 2 over 4, which simplifies to 1/2. So just because the triangles are similar does not mean that the hypotenuse have the same slope.